Hi guys, I'm here at Tamiya Underground in Quezon City to check out their truck for today. It's here. Okay, and then they have a new lap timer here. So let's try that later. Right. Now let's go inside and let's play. Hey guys, meron tayong kalaban. Si Duck, si Almond. Let's go. Konti lang tao ngayon. Sa preview. Kami naman nida. So best of 3. Okay. Ready, go. Best of 3 tayo guys. Guys, wala palitan ng battery ito. Okay. Sige. Gan. 1, 2, go. Second lap. One, two, go. Alright guys, if you need parts and accessories, you can find it here at Tamiya Underground. So we have cows here, some decals. What else? We have some chassis, rims, then wheels, kits. We have aligned rims here, and then plates, more kits, rollers, and another chassis. So let me tour you first, quick tour here. So we have some good cars here. Accessories. So we have tape, we have motor, climate stabilizer. Wait, I'm going to show you something. So these are the motors, which like they were already brought in by MC Mini 4-wheel drive. So shout out. So we have the dash motors in here, and work hyper dash. Plus we have ultra dash. Then as you can see, let me zoom it in. Okay. So after he breaks, he's done with the braking process. He will put it right the RPM. So for example, that light dash is 21,360. So at least you know how much RPM the motor. You can visit them at second floor Wilcon Center here in Visayas Avenue, Quezon City. They're open Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.